For the last couple of days, I've been having problems with my Hisense smart TV. It would not connect to the wireless internet. Everything else in the house connected except it. My Samsung connected, our telephones, or my son's Xbox, and everything. So I'm gonna show you what's going on with it whenever I try to go to either Netflix or YouTube. And also this light is blinking twice. As you can see, it's blinking twice. So that lets me know that it's not getting connection. So I'm gonna walk you through and show you what's going on. I'm gonna go to Netflix. And as you see, I'm going through the setup, the wireless. As you see, it's trying to connect. And that right there is my wireless here at my house. I don't know what that is, but this is my wireless connection. So I'm gonna try to connect to it. And I have already deleted and entered my passcode a few times and it's still having the same problem. You see, once I hit connect, it's gonna put an X by this wireless connection because it cannot connect to it. So I called Hisense. They said they cannot help me. I need to call, I think it's Roka. I tried calling them, could not get no service. But my son came down. He said, I think the only thing we need to do is restart the router. So, you know, these kids, they know more about this stuff than we do because we didn't have no IP address. It was showing 000. So to give you an update, he restarted the router and it fixed the problem. We got connection. So I should have called him before I called all these other people. All right, thank you. Have a great day.